Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. So today we're doing a hair install video. So today's wig was sent over from Junoda hair. This is a beautiful chocolate brown lace frontal unit that I will be installing. So first I have it on my mannequin head and I'm just plucking out the hairline. It did come a little bit pre-plucked, but I wanted to pluck it just a little bit more. And I am going to go ahead and revamp the curls because this wig does come like natural body wave texture, so it does have a bit of a wave pattern, but I'm just going to go ahead and add some curls in using my curling wand. So if you guys would like a more detailed plucking video, just let me know in the comments. But usually how I pluck my units, I start from the very front and I just go layer by layer, basically parting the hair out. And you want to make sure that you don't thin it out too much, but thin it out a little bit more towards the sides of your forehead, and then the middle, try to keep it a little bit more on the full side, just to make sure that when you start to part the wig, you don't have like a serious bald spot. That's what I've learned in my process of plucking out my units. So once I get the unit curled and I put in some clips just to hold those curls in place, we're going to go ahead and move on to installing the wig. I'm using my hot comb to keep the ends, to keep the roots very straight. I'm doing a quick install using my Ebon spray, just spraying that around the hairline. I'm going to tie that down with an elastic band to make sure that it stays into place. And then while that is molding and setting, we're going to go ahead and move on to taking out these clips. and I knew that I wanted to do a right-sided part, so here I am just trying to perfect that right side part. And my bleach job, it came out really good. I was really pleased with how well I bleached the knots on this unit. So shout out to that, because that's some good hair that it took that bleach so good, and it just worked out really good. So I was very pleased with that. Take the elastic band off. Yes, I do have a little bit of like a flashback type of vibe, so you want to go back over it with that spray. That's going to get rid of it, and then tie the elastic band back down. And once you take that off, I promise it's going to be all gone. But I really do like using my clips to keep the curls tight while you go ahead and style the rest of the hair. And those curls, they just fall out really pretty. This hair was really soft, very good quality. I like that it was really thick. I love the color of it. It's going to be perfect to wear this fall. It's versatile. It wasn't shedding, so very good quality wig. If you guys are looking for a good chocolate brown wig, definitely check out Junoda hair, so you guys can try out this unit, because honestly, I don't think you'll regret it. It's wonderful lace. It bleached pretty, blended into the skin. I liked it. I think when I wear it next time, I'll probably add some baby hairs over it, just because you can see a little bit of that hairline there at the front, but for the most part, it blended into the skin. I should have just went over it with probably like a little bit more bronzer, and just have added some baby hairs, and that would have gotten rid of that little flashback there. But yeah, I like this unit. So thanks guys for watching. Thank you to Junoda Hair for sending over this unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.